Mixed reality allows for distributed meetings where people's physical rooms are virtually aligned into blended interaction spaces. But challenges arise when people's rooms are physically dissimilar. Imagine Alice and Bob meeting from their individual offices. Alice's whiteboard is behind her desk and Bob's whiteboard is to his right. As they move from the table to the whiteboard, they arrive at different locations in the blended space, due to the relative differences between their rooms. In this work, we introduce the concept of partially blended realities. We developed a prototype to explore how users may configure partially aligned spaces based on their physical surfaces. In our scenario, Alice and Bob's offices can be partially aligned either around their tables or the whiteboards. We demonstrate two different techniques for partially aligning their offices. Via the realignment technique, users can trigger a switch from aligning around the table to aligning around the whiteboard. With the overlay technique, all partial alignments are overlaid at once, and Alice sees Bob twice as an avatar located relative to each partial alignment. We studied how pairs of users experience these techniques in a remote collaboration task and found that shared surface haptics creates an effective illusion of sharing the same surface. But when transitioning between surfaces, uncanny effects start to happen. We use our study insights to expand on a design space for supporting these transitions. For the realignment technique, we propose to constrain the trigger to be a shared button rather than a private button, and only place the button at the origin surface of the transition. This way, the space is realigned before the pairs move. For the overlay technique, several pairs suggested a variation that fades between layers. Here we demonstrate how it can support Alice's mental switching to the avatar of Bob next to the whiteboard. In this technique, we show how the fading can be triggered based on a proximity boundary to the surface. There are still many open questions to explore in this rich design space. And with this research, we have demonstrated a new class of solutions contributing to the advancement of distributed mixed reality meetings for the future of hybrid work.